Hey, hi everyone. Now let's see how to install Playwright. So for that you have to create a project. A name could be anything, it's up to you, and open this project from command prompt. To do that, in address bar just type cmd and enter. And to install Playwright, we have one command. So just type npm init playwright and click enter. It will ask you for some configuration, like where do you want to put your test, what programming language you want to install, you want to install browsers or not. So just select the options. So in my case I'm choosing the TypeScript and click enter, and it is asking where do you want to put your test. I don't want to rename any folders, so I'm keeping as it is. So click click enter, and it is asking do you want to add the git workflow or not. So it's up to you. Again, just in my case I'm clicking yes. Now it is asking whether browser needs to be installed or not. So if you want to install browsers, click yes, or otherwise if you want to install later, you have to use this command. So in my case I'm using S, so I don't want to install browsers later, I want them to install now itself. It is initializing the project, so let's wait for some time to get it installed, the libraries. Yeah, Playwright got installed successfully. We can see the message like happy hacking. So we can open up this project in VS Code. So in my case I have already installed the VS Code in my system, so if you want you can also install. I just opened a project in VS Code. So now let's see how to run sample tests. So along with the installation, Playwright will give you some sample tests. We can check whether they are working or not. This is a sample test which is available in under test. So now we can use command to run the test. So in order to open terminal, you can use Ctrl J in Windows, so it will open up the terminal. So now just type the command called npx playwright test. This test will help you to run the test whatever is available in under test folder, and if you just click enter, it will run our test in headless mode. But if you want to see the browsers, so we need to use the annotation called headed, npx playwright test -- headed. So what it will do is it will open up the browsers, and click enter. See, it is now running the 6 tests using 2 workers. These configuration details I will explain in coming videos, but as of now just see how it will run and how it will generate the report. Here we have two workers, so that's why it is open parallelly two browsers. So you can see the execution here. Based on your system configuration, this might take some time, so if you want you can forward the video. Now it is running in Firefox. Now it is running in WebKit. So out of 6, 4 are passed. So Playwright, after the test execution got completed, the Playwright will automatically open up the report. So here we can see the report in a local server. It will start on local server and it will showcase the results. So see, we can see here a total 6 and passed 4 out of 6. 4 got passed and failed 2. We can see the why it was failed and all, as due to some page load time it got failed. We can fix it up later. And flaky means whatever it's like we have some retry mechanism in Playwright. I will cover that in coming videos. So whatever passed in second time, they will be registered in flaky. Skipped means we have some annotations, so intentionally also we can skip the test, so those will be registered in skipped. So this is how it will be, the installation and running test will be. So thank you for watching.